In this video, we will learn about charges configuration. First, we'll go to the configuration section and click on charges configuration. When the interface opens, we'll see the charges configuration manage screen. Any charges we configure will be shown in a table here. The purpose of configuring charges is that in our system, for all plot sizes and phases, whatever charges are applicable, like membership fees, plot costs, electricity, gas charges, etc. All those charges that apply to a plot in our society will be configured here. To add a new charge, click on the Add Charges button. The form that appears will have this type of layout. First, choose the phase name. Then, in the next field, select the plot size, and the plot type field will automatically change according to the plot size selected. Next, choose the member type, and then select the submember type. In the following field, select the costing head from your account against which you want to configure charges. Then, in the amount field, add the amount of the charges. Afterwards, select the status indicating whether you want to keep these charges active or inactive. The next field is for the effective date, and if you want to change it, you can do so, and any members who register after that selected date will have those charges applied to them. To submit the form, click on the Save button. Once submitted, the charges will be added to the table on the Manage screen, displaying 11 columns. Serial number, phase name, plot size, plot type, costing head, amount, effective date, member type, status, and action. If you wish to edit a charges, you can do so using the button provided in the Action column. If you set the status to inactive, the charge will be added but will not be displayed elsewhere in the system. Additionally, if you want to view charges phase-wise on the Manage screen, there are drop-down menus above the table. Choose a phase, then select plot size, member type, and submember types. After clicking the Search button, the charges for that phase will be displayed in the table below.